Today we're jumping in to talk about the Victor Quick Kill Mouse Trap with zero chance of bait theft. Stay to the end, we'll give you the best pro recommendation for dealing with the mouse infestation. All right, let's jump in and see what we get with the Victor Quick Kill Mouse Trap. Comes in a box of 2. And the biggest claim here is that you have zero bait theft, and we can show you how that works. So you can see you get 2 of these mouse traps with a nice metal arm in an all plastic material. And the biggest thing with these is that the way that you bait it, it has a secret little tray in here where you put your bait, close it down, and then when you set the trap, the trigger is actually when they go to get the bait. So you never have to refill the bait because as soon as they go to get it, the trap is designed to kill them. Let's talk about how this trap works versus your regular mouse trap. Regular mouse trap, you pull back the bar, and then when you set the post, you can either go sensitive or firm. Some reviews that you get with these mouse traps is that I put bait on here, it's gone, and there's no mouse. And that can happen. If it's set too firm, the mice will chew it and go away. When the mice get snapped in here, you do need to physically pull this off and remove the dead mouse. With these Victor ones, the way it works is you open up this little compartment, you put your bait deep in the back here, and when that closes, you lift up the bar. When you lift this piece up, when the mouse goes to get it, it comes down right away, so your bait will remain there the whole time. So it does make it easier if you're gonna do multiple sets. It also makes it very easy to discard of a carcass because it has this nice little handle where you can lift it up and you're not gonna have to touch it. It's also much easier to set because you're not worried about it coming back and snapping with the spring action. So let's go over the pros of this mouse trap. 1, not having to re-put the bait in anytime you want to use it is a great pro. You put it in there and you'll be good to go. You maybe need to freshen it up every so often, but not every single time you're gonna get a mouse. Setting the trap, very easy, very straightforward. Also, disengaging the trap is extremely easy. If you do have a capture, it does have this nice little handle so you don't have to touch the carcass. That's also a great feature. And because it is all plastic, if you do want to rinse them, wash them, and keep them clean, very easy to do. Overall, all the claims that it makes are good, and it does work very well. All right, we've gone over the difference between a regular mouse trap and the Victor Quick Kill. What we would do as a pro is the only real con to these traps is that they are significantly more expensive than your regular mouse trap. So what we would do is, depending what your budget would be, is buy a bunch of regular snap traps so you can have volume and you can knock down a population very fast. And then maybe pick up a handful of these ones that you can keep set, and that way when you have them out for maintenance and monitoring, if you do get something, it's easy to use, they're easy to clean, it keeps the bait secure, and then you can use these as your monitors. If budget is not an issue, these generally are going to be a lot easier to use than the regular mouse traps. If you liked what you saw, check out our other videos. We have lots of videos on the Tomcat repellent, ultrasonic plugs, and tons of helpful information on how to keep mice and rats out of your home for good.